Page 30, the eagle. This piece, they're not really introducing anything new, except now you get to play both hands at the same time. This is the first time we've done this. No big deal. It's just look at the second line, the next to the last measure. You have a whole note in the left hand, a G, and you have half note E. You simply push them down at the same time. You're going to hold the whole note down because it's 4 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. That's that lesson over. There's not a lot to point out there. The only thing we have to deal with is where do the hands go. Well, you think the right hand starts out with here, 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 and here. So it looks like to cover these keys, I'm going to have to put the right hand here. I'm just not using the F. So that's where the right hand would go, I guess. And the left hand, you only get one note, a G. So it doesn't matter. I mean, if that's it, I could be in C position in both hands. I could play that G with any finger. But it's not just a G. Look at the last measure. You've got middle C here. So I want to cover both of these. I don't want to get in the way of the hand, so I'm just going to put it in middle C position, and that covers it. That way I got the G covered and the C covered, and the hands are only fighting with each other a little bit, and that's fine. So that would be the hand position, middle C position. It has a pickup beat. The first measure only has 1 count, but the last measure has 3, so we're good. So we're coming in on beat 4, and that's fine. Now at the bottom of the page, they're suggesting that now you practice the pieces in 2 things instead of 3. I never agreed with their 3. They're saying that you can count out loud and sing it, but you don't have to say the names of the notes. I'm saying you need to count it. Whether you count out loud to yourself, I don't care. I don't care if you sing it or not, that's up to you. But you need to know the names of the notes. If you don't, then you still need to be saying them. If you already know the notes, and I hope you do by now, then you don't need to keep saying them. And that's really about it, other than playing the hands together. So let's try this out slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. So go ahead and put your hands in middle C position, and here we go. Try and play this without looking at the keyboard. 1, ready, go. Four.